I'm washing his mouth out.
No, with no soap.
What you mean?
What the hell are you doing?
I'm washing his mouth out.
Why are you washing?
Because he down here cursing.
Okay.
You don't care?
I do care. Don't be cursing. Don't. No, that's toxic. Ain't that toxic?
I don't. I wash his mouth out with the soap.
We're not in the 60s.
Oh!
What's up, BT gang? It's your boy Brock.
And that's your boy Noah.
Back with another
Bacon!
playing no games. We ain't playing no games. Mom, don't be so loud. Mom in the shower. As soon as she get out, we get straight into it. But we about to get her with washing my son's mouth out with soap. Prank on fiance.
Oh!
It is what it is. I wrap some plastic wrap around the soap. Alright, so when I put it in his mouth, it's plastic wrap.
It tastes like silverware, so I don't know what.
Silverware?
Bruh.
What would you talking about? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell, make it go.
Ring a ding dong, ring a ding 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 dong.
You heard it? Ding a ding, ring ding ding, ding a ding ding
It's not like that,
dong.
Dad. It's not like that. You don't got no flow.
I ain't got no flow.
Oh!
Man, you ain't got no flow. Look at you. Your big old head.
Look at your pants.
Oh. You gonna do me like that? What? Okay. Post notification, gang. Post notification shout outs go to
Breeze Doc.
whatever.
That boy Breeze. Carolina N. Kelly Walker. Brisa Journey. And Kim's Chubbley.
Hey, thank y'all so much for turning comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody wants to shout out any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments. And yeah, your post notification bell turned on, gang. Look, I got my bucket of water. I'm gonna be dipping it in. I got the soap wrapped in plastic wrap, wrapped in plastic wrap. I'm gonna be dipping it in. Wash his mouth out. As soon as Tasha got a shower, we get straight into this thing. Let's do this.
I'm so excited.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What? Oh, hey, didn't I tell you about talking like that? Who you think you talking to?
You.
What? Open your mouth. Yeah, how you like that? Didn't I tell you don't do that? You don't talk to me like that. Who you think you talking to like that? Oh, heck no. Open your mouth. Huh? You like that? You like taste of that? Huh? Then watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Who you think you talking to like that? What?
Damn.
Who you think? Open your mouth. What?
What's wrong?
Huh?
What happened? What are you doing?
I'm washing his mouth out.
No, with no soap.
What you mean?
What the hell are you doing?
I'm washing his mouth out.
Why are you washing?
Because he down here cursing.
Okay.
You don't care?
I do care. Don't be cursing. Don't. No, that's toxic. Ain't that toxic?
I wash his mouth out with the soap.
We're not in the 60s. We're washing our baby's mouth out with soap. No. Go drink some water or something. Oh my God. Why would you do that?
Tasha, on my mama, if you got something to say, you can sit down and get your mouth washed out too.
What?
Wash your mouth. First of all, you better calm down. You better calm down. You out of line. What did he say? What did he say?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No. Take
Open your mouth. You better
Take
watch your
the
mouth.
soap out of it.
You better watch your mouth when you're talking to me.
Stop
You better watch.
putting the soap in his mouth.
How you gonna tell me how to be a daddy? You ain't no daddy. I'm
I'm not
this.
trying to be a daddy.
So
I'm
what?
not trying to be a
Okay, so
daddy.
step
If he
back.
was a better daddy, he wouldn't be cursing.
You like that?
Shoot, cursing in front of my baby. That's probably why he cursing. God dang it.
I see you backed up when I
Oh, man.
stood up.
Oh!
Ain't nobody. Come wash your
You got a little
mouth.
nervous. Come here. I'm washing his mouth. What you mean, wash your mouth? Come here.
You
Open your
gonna
mouth.
confuse him. Stop.
Confuse him. He gonna know
Your
not to
parents
curse
used to
again.
wash your mouth
He
out
gonna know
with
not to
soap?
curse again.
Your parents used to wash your mouth
No,
out with
and
soap?
that's why I got this bad mouth as it is.
Okay, we're not
You
washing
ain't know what he
his
said.
mouth out with
He
soap.
called me a bitch.
You said that?
I told him go clean up. I said go clean up all that stuff on the floor. He gonna be already cleaned up. I said no, you didn't. He gonna get to the store and say, "What you did?"
Where you hear that from?
YouTube.
What you
YouTube.
watching on YouTube? Oh yeah, we need to fix your.
Oh,
We're not washing.
Open your mouth.
We're not washing his mouth out with soap. We're not
Come here, come
washing.
here.
You better back up.
What you mean I better back up? You better back up. How you gonna tell me to back up?
You finna make you.
You over here acting up.
We're not washing his
Come
mouth
here.
out with soap. Where did the cup go?
I'm your. Oh, where you running to?
Brock.
I'm your dad.
Brock.
Come here. I'm your daddy, boy.
Don't put that soap in his mouth.
What?
Don't put
What
that
are you
soap
talking
in
about?
his mouth. That's gross. You don't know what that can do to him.
So you gonna let the
What's in soap?
you gonna let the suspect get away?
Oh!
Why are you yelling for one? I'm not letting anyone get away.
You gonna let the suspect get away?
Well, pop his hand or pop the
Popping?
Pop it.
I don't know. I don't do all that
Soap in his
now.
mouth.
They taking people to jail for popping. I don't pop no more. I wash out with soap. Come here.
Okay, we're not those people. We're not washing his mouth out with soap, and no, we're not doing that. He got soap dripping all down his dick. Here.
Tasha, just
Go
because
get
you
some
ain't
water or
never got
something
no
from Grandma.
whooping in your life, you don't know how.
Because I was a good kid.
You was a good
I
kid.
was a good kid.
You done let the suspect get away.
What? You didn't even go. No. Go. What are you doing? Go get some water from Grandma so you won't be in the adult conversation. That's why you're washing your mouth out with soap now because you don't listen. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Come here, bro. Sit down. Sit down.
You're not. First of all, you're not my mother.
You about to get a rinse?
Stop yelling at me.
I'm about to rinse around and rinse it off.
Why are you putting soap in his mouth?
I'm about to rinse around and rinse
We
it
are
off.
not that
I'm about to
old
rinse
parents.
around and rinse it. Sit down. Because I don't like how you coming at me. How you gonna come downstairs and stop me from being dead? I'm trying to teach him that he needs to watch his
well,
mouth.
when did we ever? Okay, he do need to wash his mouth. You are absolutely right.
You said
should
wash.
him
You
right
said
in
wash.
the-
You didn't say watch. Bring him back down here so I can watch. We'll wash that mouth.
First of all, you need to wash your breath because you spitting all on me and that shit stank. First and foremost.
Oh.
Second of all, we're not washing his mouth out with soap. This is not a Christmas story. We are not in the 60s. We are not those parents.
In his 60s? What you trying to say about
I'm
me?
saying you old as that's an old ass.
I said I ain't never had that.
Obviously didn't work back then because we curse more than ever now. We curse
That's
way more
because you
than
ain't
we
never
curse
got
back
your
in-
mouth washed
That
out.
finger in my
That's
face.
because you ain't never got your mouth. Why? You gonna break a toe?
Yeah, no, you gonna break your
You know this is
calf.
steel?
You gonna
You
break
know
your
this is
calf.
metal?
You gonna break
You know
your
this is
calf.
stone?
You gonna break your calf.
No, I'm gonna
We're
break
not
your.
washing.
That's what I'm gonna break.
Cool. We're not washing his mouth.
Come here, bro. Come here. I don't like how you coming at me. Come here.
Noah,
You obviously need more.
stop playing with me.
How you gonna tell me stop playing with
Stop.
you? You
Just
came
like
out
I
here,
just
you
told
interrupted
you
me.
to stop playing with me.
I'm trying to teach the baby some discipline.
Okay, well
Tell
that's
me if he
something
wanna
else.
talk like that, then he gonna eat this soap.
Come
Now,
here, Noah.
if you wanna come back, that you can eat some soap too. What are you doing? Come here, man.
Why are you cursing? Don't put that soap in his mouth. Why are you cursing? Okay, well you know
You
better
heard it on
though. I don't care
YouTube.
what you heard or where you heard it from. You know better.
That's why you can't watch YouTube no more.
Don't you know better? Did mommy tell you not to curse?
Yeah.
Okay, so why are you cursing? Especially at daddy. You think it's okay to curse at your daddy?
You know I'm cuckoo
Get away
crazy.
from my baby with that. You got soap dripping all down his dang mouth. Get away.
Talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him.
I'm trying to, Sergeant. Can you sit down? Drill Sergeant.
Talk to him, bruh.
Why are you cursing? Okay, so you don't curse at your daddy. Tell him sorry.
No, because you got.
Apologize to your daddy.
Sorry.
Not.
You gonna say it like that? Oh heck no!
It's not funny.
Boy,
Stop!
they gonna say it like that?
It's not funny.
You gonna say it like that?
Sit down. Y'all, I can't deal with y'all finna get on, both of y'all finna get on my nerves.
You see how you said sorry?
I
The boy got
saw-
attitude.
okay.
And I wonder where he got it from.
From you pointing at his mama and talking to me like you are right now. That's probably where he got
Who
it
talking
from.
to you like that?
You!
Oh!
You don't be cursing at all. I've been.
Okay, I'm sorry. Why you for real? You need to watch your mouth. Who you gonna know you talking to like that? It ain't me. Cause it ain't
Do
me.
you hear me? You don't be cursing, especially at no adult, especially at your daddy. Do you hear me? I need a yes, because I'm speaking to you. I need you to tell me yes.
Yes.
Okay. Don't just shake your head. You wasn't shaking your head. when
Did you
was
say that with an
cursing.
attitude?
You wasn't shaking your
Did
head.
he say that with an attitude? Did he say that with an
You
attitude?
calm down. God dang, you want to fight the baby so bad. Calm down. Wait till
Say
he
it with an
get bigger.
attitude.
Shoot.
He can go upstairs and we can go some rounds. He can go upstairs and we can go rounds.
Hey,
You been
obviously I'm muting your ears for a reason. What's
exactly. You see how he pulled your
He sure
Come
did.
here, man. Come
We're
here.
not-
Come here.
That's not
Come
what we're
here.
doing. That's not what we're doing.
Come
Go
here.
back upstairs. Go back upstairs. Go. Get off my back.
You gonna throw me down and break the couch?
You think that's funny?
I'm not trying to be funny. What, did I
I'm
laugh?
trying to be funny.
How am I trying to be funny? No,
Okay,
I
we're
think
not
I'm
washing
being a
his
dad.
mouth out. Oh no, that's not being. We're not washing his mouth out with soap. That's freaking gross.
Come here, bro. Sit down.
Bro, you finna piss me off.
I'm finna piss you
Yes,
off.
you finna piss me off.
How am I finna piss you off? You came down interrupting me with what I was doing to try to handle my, trying to discipline the baby, and I'm finna piss you off?
Because you wasn't disciplining correctly, Brock. That's why.
Tasha, well, maybe if you discipline at all,
Oh!
he wouldn't be talking like that.
You said maybe if I discipline him, you're the father. You supposed to.
Well, then why you didn't let me be the dad?
Don't do it with soap. You don't need no soap. Put it near my mouth.
No, come here.
Put
Come
it
here,
over
dog.
here.
Come here.
I dare you to.
Come here. I want you to see what's about to happen to your mama.
Let me take these off.
Come here.
These are my slip and slide
Come here.
shoes. Be able to-
Come here. Let me talk to him. I'm not gonna put the soap out here. Let me talk to him. Let me talk. Get back! Let me talk to my son.
I'm in the front.
What?
You in the front!
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's a break.
Oh!
We got it.
It's wrapped. It's not even.
High five.
We got it! It's wrapped. It's a rad wrap.
I'm putting no-
It's a brain.
As much as you be not wanting to put everything in your mouth and everything got toxins and all that, you better not
Open
be
your
putting no
mouth.
dang
Open your
soap
mouth
in
and
my
take
baby's
this.
mouth.
What was you gonna do about it? You wasn't gonna do nothing about it.
This the white stuff that was dripping from your lips.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Don't say sorry. We owe her one, bro.
Yeah. As much as you've been pranking us.
Ow! Ow! Stop playing! Stop playing! Stop playing! Hey, get the baby. He right there. Why you get me? Okay, let me
Why
wait your phone
y'all
up. Play around.
playing?
All right, gang, gang. We about to
Okay.
get a booty.
Y'all do too much. Back up.
Come on, boo-boo. Say bye to the gang, gang. Little Watty got, little Watty got caught slipping. It is what it is. Team Brock, Team Noah, we up one.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all